What's up, beautiful people? Another day, another study. We've talked a lot about dementia, and I'm an ApoE4 carrier, so I have an elevated risk of dementia. So, a lot of what I do is to prevent getting dementia. I also watched my grandfather pass away from Alzheimer's, and I had a grandmother pass away from Parkinson's dementia. So, this study was looking at olive oil intake and the risk of dementia related death. And what they found was that people who intake more than 7 grams of olive oil a day had about a 28% lower risk of dementia related mortality. And this was independent of things like ApoE4 gene status, presence of cardiovascular disease, hypercholesterolemia. It was independent of overall diet quality, which was really important thing that they adjusted for, and adherence to a Mediterranean diet. So without all of those factors, the olive oil was still beneficial in reducing dementia mortality. And this study aligns with numerous other studies showing that olive oil has health benefits. The mechanism here could be improving vascular health. Olive oil has several properties in it, including antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that may help with improving blood vessel health. And blood vessel health is very important to brain health. So olive oil is a staple in our household. What do you use in your house?